Good morning guys. Let's do this erection. This is the rigger now is giving me a signal. See, boom up, voice down. This is 39 tons according to the supervisor. Erect it here, excavation. So we are having an erection of this precast concrete using special rigging gear. That is the Snuts block rigging gear. Snuts block rigging gear. Direction to the excavation. It's almost there. Now the rigger is asking for boom down. So I'm doing boom down now. Boom down. Actually guys, this is very critical lifting because we're going to put the precast in the excavation, around 2 meters excavation. Oh, it's a perfect plan. Our plan was 11 meters. Oh, it's 11 meters. It's 11 meters now. It's 11.4 meters. But the plan is 11 meters. It was not a perfect measurement. Because I and the rigger measured only using our steps, estimate only, but almost perfect. Just half meter difference. It's almost perfect, not bad. 33 tons load. It's almost directed.